I'm Bailey.
I'm Miranda.
I'm
This
John.
is
Thanks.
We're down at the Johnboat Cafe today on 7th and Duenweg.
The one and only. And we're going to show you how to assemble baklava.
You take this phyllo dough. It's very delicate.
6 sheets of it. It's a pastry, kind of leafy. It's also originated from Greek, and Greek comes from leaf.
It dries out really fast, so you want to kind of do this a little bit quickly.
And what John's doing here, he is putting butter on it after each sheet. We do 6 sheets first.
There you go. Better.
Keep going. Kind of nervous.
Is that 5?
Yeah. This is our 6th layer.
After 6, this
Great. Yeah. Okay.
we have is the mixture for it, and it is dates, sugar, and pecans. We just kind of put a light sprinkle on it all over the place. We should use the whole thing, right?
Yeah. Just crumble them up.
Crumble
Get the
it
edges.
up.
Make sure you get the edges.
It's like it sticks together pretty good.
Tip these down too.
Yeah, we want the edges to be as good as the middle.
A nice even layer.
That's right.
Faster.
Try it out.
It's hard.
Use 2 hands. You can set that down and just pick it up with 2 hands.
Try and get the edges.
It's really sticky.
Yeah. The dates kind of bring it together.
All right.
And you can see, almost looks like cookie. And then we're going to do our sheets again.
You do 4 layers this next time.
That's right. And he's still going to put the butter on it. Remember, you have to be quick about this.
Once you have everything prepped, it pretty much goes by really fast.
That was 3. One more.
And now you're ready for the 2nd layer.
That's right. Try to do this quick. 'Cause
The phyllo dough dries out really fast once you open it.
it'll start cracking on the edges, which means it'll burn more in the oven. And
Sticky.
oopsie. It's okay to not use gloves with this because you don't have to use gloves things that are not cooked yet. Isn't that right, John?
Yes. Watch the top, man. I'll edit that out.
Alright, I don't have any more.
All right. And as you can see, it's not like there's spaces in between. That's okay.
Yeah, once it cooks, it'll even out.
Now, for the 3rd layer, you put another 4.
Here. When you do it. There.
Put some more butter on there. That's 1, 2,
3.
Man, this is a lot faster.
It almost looks like paper.
Yeah,
Super
it's
thin, really
thin.
delicate.
There's 4.
Okay,
Now
do this.
Kind of
You're
press it
ready.
down some.
Yeah, especially the edges. Okay. Whoops.
Now we're ready to put the 3rd layer on.
And make sure you get that around the outer edge too.
Alright. Well, this is fun.
It's gonna be on YouTube.
It's really sweet.
Super sweet.
And it's really sticky
No,
and
it's,
chewy to
it's
eat,
gonna be baked
but it
out.
tastes delicious.
Okay.
And this is the easy part. We
Pre-baked
still have to
food,
add
you
some
don't
more
need
to it
gloves on.
Yeah.
after it bakes.
After it's
do the
cooked.
right thing.
We top
After it's
it with
cooked, you don't
A syrup. It's a homemade syrup. And then we also make,
almost like a glaze.
yeah, glaze for it. To make it pretty. And sugary more. More sugary. I mean,
Sweeter.
yeah, that's it.
All right.
It's like a pizza.
Yeah, that's one yummy pizza.
And now we put the final 6 layer on.
Yep, 6 layers. There's one. Sometimes you want to count because I forget a lot.
Yeah.
So 1,
2.
2,
3.
Keep dragging them up. Don't drag them, just lay them down sideways.
Okay.
See, you get double. Get all. Lay them down this way.
3.
4. 5.
You got it.
5.
6. Ta-da!
How many you got left?
Quite a few.
Speed up.
Should we put more on it?
Put one more.
One more?
We usually don't do this. Just so you know.
We usually miscount and it comes out. We usually miscount and it comes out even.
Yeah.
Yeah. This time we didn't get so lucky.
You should use a total of 40 sheets.
Let's put more.
Alrighty. No.
Okay, pause.
What is that?
Baklava. Baklava.
Okay, now I'm going to cut it into diamonds. Start with the center cut. You don't cut all the way through. You go 3/4 of the way through. And we do this because after we bake it, then we put the orange sauce and honey and syrup down in the cracks, and it spreads out through all the layers of the baklava. So you got the one stripes.
I mean, that's beautiful.
It does.
And I'm not an exact science to this. I cut things all whopper. Crazy. But it still tastes great. Need to figure out how to cut it better. Voila!
Ta-da!
Thank you. We'll put it in the oven now.
For how long?
Shut it off. I don't know. I have to look it up.
Toasted warm.
It's baklava time.
It's done.
Look at
Woo!
that. Isn't that beautiful? Ouch. It's hot.
So warm right out of the oven. Yum, yum, yum.
Now, before you put the glaze on, you want to let it cool just a little bit because we just pulled it out of the oven, so it's still really hot.
So when it's warm, we're going to put the syrup on. And we also make the syrup. It has orange juice, honey, and something else.
Orange juice, honey, and
Sugar?
yeah,
Maybe?
and cinnamon. Cinnamon.
Cinnamon,
Yeah.
that's it. Yeah. All right. We're waiting on John for that.
Look at that. That's so beautiful. So golden. It looks delicious. It smells really delicious. Like, if you guys can smell this,
Delicious.
we gotta try this.
We're going to have to take a taste.
Yeah.
How to do that?
Okay. Bailey's done this. Just do the cracks, because you're going to get it everywhere else. You know, do the
Yeah.
cracks
Do the cracks first.
and explain it to them that we're doing the cracks, because they will run down in there.
Yep. All right. So,
Is it ready?
yep.
Are
we
you
already
going?
did it.
We're already started.
So, like what John just said, you take syrup that we made and you put it along all the little cracks.
Try to do it fast.
You're supposed to do it faster, but I'm not very fast. John's probably going to take over.
Let me show. This is the way you do it. First you do the up and down cracks.
Just kind of like glues it together.
Yeah.
And then you do the diagonals.
There they go again.
Same people. Okay, just keep doing that. You need to do this down and just keep going around and around.
All right. Do you want to try?
Yeah.
You don't have to do it real fast. Just do it faster than you were doing.
All right. Okay, now do this side.
I've never done this before. This smells so good.
All right. Ugh, I just want to dig into it already. We're gonna have to have a piece.
Yeah, we haven't made this in quite a few weeks, and this smells so good. I love it when we have this for sale.
Yeah. Now we only have this every now and then, so you might want to come in and get some.
It usually goes pretty fast
Yeah.
because everyone's like, "Ooh, what's that?" And then we explain it to them. Like, that sounds delicious.
Yeah. It is just. Since you got all the cracks now, you can just glaze it over.
Just glaze it over.
Just all over. 'Cause we just go for the cracks first, and then you can glaze it all over. Because it'll still seep in there.
And you can see how, like, the edges after you cook it, they get a little rustic looking. That's okay. It's supposed to do that. Gives it more of a little delicate look.
Yeah, they get all flaky. But oh boy, does that look yummy. And now, after this, we have to let it cool.
Makes the edges really good.
And we're going to add, we make a homemade frosting, just out of sugar.
Powdered sugar usually.
Powdered sugar. Yeah, you use powdered sugar. And then after we let it cool, we just make it pretty. Put some powdered sugar on there. But, yeah, you'll see.
Let's make quite a bit.
It does. It looks like it's not going very much, but it is.
Oh, yeah.
That looks so good.
Look at that. That's so beautiful.
Yeah. We put it all over. It's got all the cracks. Look at that.
Voila.
Woo!
Almost done.
Almost.